Student, I hope you are all right. Now we'll discuss exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1, first to 8 question already discussed by me. Now we will discuss question number 9. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 point P and Q are taken on diagonal BD पर एक है diagonal पर 2 पॉइंट हैं such that DP equal to BQ, so that triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB ये प्रूव करना है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ। नाउ सेकंड पार्ट AP इक्वल टू CQ एंड ट्रायंगल AQB congruent to triangle CPD। fourth part, AQ equal to CP and APCQ is a parallelogram. ACPQ is a parallelogram. Now, first of all, given ABCD is a parallelogram, P and Q are point on diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. First part we have to prove, and now proof in triangle APD and CQB, we have AD equal to BQ, opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Now DP equal to BQ given, angle of ADP equal to CBQ, alternate angle ADP ये वाला एंगल और इस एंगल के इक्वल है, अल्टरनेट एंगल। नाउ ट्रायंगल APD congruent to triangle CQB, साइड एंगल साइड congruency। Third, second part, AP equal to CQ, CPCT, and in third part we have triangle AQB equal to and triangle CPD, we have AB equal to CD, opposite side of parallelogram are equal, DP equal to BQ given है and ABQ equal to CDP, alternate angle है। ये जो ADQ ABQ यहाँ पर ABQ ये वाला एंगल और CDP ये एंगल दोनों क्या है, अल्टरनेट एंगल है। उसके बाद हमारे पास है ट्रायंगल AQB congruent टू ट्रायंगल CPD, साइड एंगल साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। नाउ AQ इक्वल टू CPCT, सिंस APCQ opposite side are equal, therefore it is a parallelogram. Now question number 10th, ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C। यहाँ पर A और C से perpendicular vertices हैं, diagonal on BD पर ये vertices डाले हुए हैं, vertices से perpendicular डाले हुए हैं, so that APB congruent to CQD और AP equal to CQ। Now first of all, given ABCD is a parallelogram, AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on BD. We have to prove APB congruent to triangle CQD. Now second part, AP equal to CQ. Proof in triangle APB and CQD, we have angle of ABP and CDQ ये एंगल अल्टरनेट एंगल। उसके बाद AB इक्वल टू CD, अपोजिट साइड ऑफ पैराग्राम आर इक्वल, देन APB इक्वल टू CQD, परपेंडिकुलर हैं ये 90 डिग्रीज। नाउ ट्रायंगल APB congruent टू ट्रायंगल CQD, एंगल साइड एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। सेकंड पार्ट AP इक्वल टू CQ CPCT। नाउ 11th question, in triangle ABC and DEF, AB equal to DE and AB equal parallel to DE, BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF, vertices A, B, C are joined to vertices D, E, F respectively, so that quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram and quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram and AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. Now quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram and AC equal to DF, and sixth part is a triangle of ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now first of all, given in triangle in quadrilateral DABC DDEF and in quadrilateral DACF and CBFEF. Now AB equal to DE, AB equal to D, AB parallel to DE, BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF. What is AB and C joined to what is DEF respectively. Now we have to prove. First of all, first part is here we have AB ED, we have AB equal to DE and AB parallel to DE given a. Now one pair of opposite side are equal and parallel, we can say ABED is a parallelogram. Second part, quadrilateral BEFC, we have BE equal to EF and BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF given. Now one pair of opposite side of parallelogram are parallel and equal, then we can say BEFC is a parallelogram. Now third part is BE equal to CF and BE parallel to CF. Now BECF is a parallelogram है, इसलिए कि हम क्या कहेंगे AD equal to BE and AD parallel to BE. Now we have ABED is a parallelogram, then AD equal to CF and AD parallel to CF. Fourth part is ACFD is a parallelogram. One pair of opposite side is parallel and equal, then we can say ACFD is a parallelogram, then AC equal to DF or AC parallel to DF. Now last part is in triangle ABC and DEF, we have AB equal to DE given, BC equal to EF given and AC equal to DF. Now by theorem we have to prove. We can now in triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, side exam side congruency side rule. Now last question is 12th question. We have ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC, so that angle A equal to angle B, angle CD equal to angle D, and triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Now given trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. Now we have to prove A equal to angle A equal to angle B, angle C equal to angle D, and triangle ABC equal to triangle congruent to triangle BAD, diagonal AC or BD both are equal. Now construction join AC and BD, AC and BD and AB and draw a line through C parallel to DE meeting AB produced at E. एक लाइन ड्रा की जो E को पर मिलती है. Now proof, since AB parallel to DC and AE parallel to DC, now AD parallel to CE. Equation first and equation second by construction. Now ADCE is a parallelogram, opposite side of a pair are parallel, then we can say ADCE parallelogram. Now angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree, consecutive interior angle, then but angle B plus angle CBE equal to 180, linear pair. Now AD equal to CD, opposite side of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Then AD equal to BC, given BC equal to CE and angle E equal to angle CBE, angle opposite to the equal side. Now angle B plus angle E equal to 180 from 4 and 6. We have now from 3rd and 8th we have angle A plus angle E equal to angle B plus angle E. E to E cancel, angle A equal to angle B. Then put in second part, angle A plus angle D equal to 180 consecutive interior angle. Then angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Now equating equation 1 and 2, equating both, we have angle A plus angle D equal to angle B plus angle C. Now, but angle A equal to angle B cancel, we have angle D equal to angle C or angle C equal to angle D. Now third part is we have ABC is a triangle and BAD, we have AD equal to BC given and angle A equal to angle B, we have already proved. Now AD equal to CD, common triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, side angle rule. Now diagonal AC equal to B by CPCT. This is the analysis of a whole exercise. Then thank you and have a nice day.